So right now, Microsoft Teams is being displayed in a certain size right here. And then what you may want to do is we can go around over here and on to, let's say, for example, the three dot icon over here, just like this. And then over here, you can see that zoom is an option. And this is actually set to 100% right now. But if I were to press plus right here, then you can see that it zooms in right here. You can go around, press plus right here, it zooms into 145, and press plus again, and it zooms into 170 right here. And everything is larger, as you can see. So if you're using a smaller screen right here, and then you want to adjust how everything looks, you can use the zoom option right here. You can also press minus to zoom out, as you can see right here. And you can make it less than 100% over here as well, if everything seems large right here. So over here, you can see that you can also reset the zoom right here. So let's say I'm zooming in into a certain percentage. But if I were to go around and click the zoom reset, then you can see that it zooms back to 100% right here. And that is how you can use the zoom option inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.